Hey guys, real quick, I want to talk to you about the text magics. So, we got a couple different text magics. Uh, One for the Indiana location, and this one is for our sales. Guys, let me explain to you why I'm creating a separate text magic. Basically, what happens is this is our Facebook ad. When you look at the Facebook ad, it has all the information about signing up. We're looking for 20 new women, and click here to learn more. When you learn more, I'm going to type this in, savoyfit@gmail.com, and let's say William. And my phone number is 270-723-0865. Or I'm actually in a real one, 502-821-1822. Click next. And terms and conditions, and I submit. I can view the website if I want to, but basically that right there opted into a text magic. So it will pop in here. So here, Jordan, hey, Jordan, or this is me, Shanice will receive these automatic 3 texts. 1, 2, 3. I'm available at 2. Ruby does her job. Guys, it goes all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. The reason why I wanted to separate the text magics, let's go, for example, I think Randy did a text. I can't even find the shit because it's so bogged down. This is Crystal, February 4th, 2 days ago. Coach Savoy, 21 hours ago. Looks like somebody missed their text messages yesterday. I can't see any. This is Amy, this is Linda, this is Susie. Here you go. February 4th, Randy sent a text message. Literally, she reached out to Crystal. I can't even find this text message because it's at the bottom and it's bogged down. All the new people that are doing sales, their stuff just pushes everything down. And again, it's not your guys to reply. It's me and Nick's job to reply. Or you guys can reply if you have time. But again, Randy's shooting out all her text. And yeah, that's the problem. So with creating a new text magic, we will only get current clients. Okay? You won't get bogged down with all this stuff, and me and Nick will actually be able to respond. Thank you.